Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are fit and healthy at your home. Students, today we are going to revise lesson number 5, Fun with Paint. So let's begin. Children, in the previous class, you have studied MS Paint. MS means Microsoft. Yes, MS Paint and the various tools provided by it. The Paint program has many tools that help us to draw and color the pictures. So let us recall the tools that you have learned in the previous class. So basically, what is MS Paint? MS is a Microsoft Paint. Yes, this software made by Microsoft company, and using this software we can draw any type of drawing, and we can also fill color within drawing. So now we are going to discuss some tools that we have already done in the previous class. So firstly, we have line tool. Line tool is used to draw any type of straight lines. Next we have rectangle tool. This tool is used to draw this shape. Yes, rectangle shape. After that, oval tool. This tool is used to draw oval or circles. Next we have polygon tool. Polygon tool, it is used to draw polygons with any number of sides. Yes, so which one is the shape of polygon? Is in the shape of this. Yes, so after this we have fill with color tool. Using this tool we can fill color with any picture in any object. So pencil tool is used to draw any type of lines or curves. Yes, lines draw कर सकते हैं हम, curves draw कर सकते हैं. Next we have eraser tool. इसके नेम से क्लियर है, यूजिंग दिस टूल वी कैन इरेज एनी पार्ट ऑफ द ड्राइंग. Next we have airbrush tool. Using this tool we can spray a color within shape. After that, select tool. This tool is used to select any part of the picture. So this we have already done. Practical also we have done of these all tools. So next come on the main topic of this chapter, that is drawing different shapes. How we can draw different shapes. So we can use paint to add different shapes. The ready-made shapes are available in the shapes group on the ribbon. Yes, inside ribbon in the shapes group already shapes are present. So whenever you choose this shapes group, you will see these all shapes. So how to draw any shape, any particular shape? So we have to firstly click on any ready-made shape. We have to select the shape that we want to draw. Then press the left mouse button and drag the mouse on the paint window. Yes, we have to press continuously we have to press left mouse button, and after that we have to drag our mouse. So we can change the appearance of the ready-made shapes. Yes, we can change the look. Appearance means look also we can change. So next click on outline and change the outline style. Yes, अगर हमने outline change करनी है then we can use outline option. So if we don't want to change outline, then no outline option is also available. After that, click on size to change the line size of any outline. Yes, of any shape. If we want to change line thickness, then we can also change from the size option. Then color 1 and color 2, both two options are present there. So click on color 1 to change the outline color and color 2 to fill the shape. कलर 1 की हेल्प से हम आउटलाइन कलर चेंज करेंगे, एंड कलर 2 इज यूज टू फिल इन कलर विद इन द शेप. सो इफ यू डोंट want your shape to be filled, click fill and then click on no fill option from it. Yes, if we don't want to fill any color, then we can choose no fill option. So after that we have call out shapes. So firstly we will discuss what are the call out shapes, why we use call out shapes, and which type of call out shapes are present inside paint. So children, you have seen that normally the dialogues in a comic book are displayed in speech balloons. Yes, जो कॉमिक बुक्स हैं उसके अंदर जो डायलॉग्स, कोई भी कार्टून या कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट है, वो अगर कोई डायलॉग प्ले करता है तो उसके लिए वो क्या यूज़ करता है? वो स्पीच बैलून यूज़ करता है. दिस इज द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ स्पीच बैलून. So let us say you want to use these speech balloons in your drawing also. So what will you do? You have two options. Either you draw them by using different tools of paint, or you can also use call out shapes directly. So there are three call out shapes in paint. First one is rounded rectangular, next is oval, and third one is cloud call out. So how to draw these all call out shapes? Yes, and where these are present? Firstly, see this picture. These three options are present. These three call out shapes are present inside this shape group. So any call out option we can select and we can draw on screen. So how to select and how to draw? Firstly, click on any of the call out shape from the shape group. After that, click and drag the mouse pointer on the drawing area. Then we can fill color also within any shape. And to add the color, fill with color tool we can use. And to add text, means if inside any particular call out, if we want to write something, if we want to write text, then we can use text tool to write text within the shape. Yes, so these three are the call out shape. First one is rounded rectangular, this is oval call out, and third is cloud call out. So now next we have topic using color picker tool. Yes, using color picker tool. So basically color picker tool is used to copy color from an existing object or existing shape. So this tool is used to select a color from an existing object and fill it into any other object. For example, we have filled here red color in this rectangle, and after that I have drawn one circle also. So now I want to fill this same color here. Yes, this color I want to pick and here I want to fill. Then directly we can use color picker tool to pick this color, and after that we can fill here. So now steps we have to follow. Firstly, draw a rectangle, then fill color within this rectangle and draw another object, for example circle here. After that, select the color picker tool, then click inside the rectangle object. Here we have to click because we want to pick this color, and then move the mouse pointer and click inside the circle to fill the same color in it. And after that we have to click inside this circle to fill this same color. So next we have modifying a picture. Modifying means changes karna. Yes, modify means changes. How we can change any particular picture. So once the drawing is made, you can make changes in it as required, such as copying, deleting, and moving, etc. And these options are available on the home tab. Yes, sometimes there is need, we want to copy the same image, we want to delete the image, we want to move any particular image, then we can use home tab. So you can also use various options from the image group that contain commands to resize, rotate, crop, or select whole or part of a picture. Means if resize is used to change the size of any picture, rotate is used to turn any picture, crop is used to cut and select any picture, and select is used to select a particular part of the picture. Yes, so in this way we can modify any picture. So after this we have selecting a picture. How we can select a picture? There are two ways to select a picture. First one is rectangular selection tool, and second one is freeform selection tool. So select tool basically we will use to select any particular part of the picture. Yes, sometimes there is need, we want to select only some part of the picture, not full picture. Then we can use this rectangular selection and freeform selection. So firstly we have rectangular selection tool. This tool select the objects in rectangular form. ये क्या करेगा? आपके ऑब्जेक्ट को rectangular shape में select करेगा. So how you can select? Firstly you will draw any particular shape. Here they are drawing Mickey Mouse. After that we have to select a rectangular selection tool from this option. Yes, see, rectangular selection and freeform selection tools are there inside this select tool. From here we have to select rectangular selection. Then to select the object, place the mouse pointer just outside the area to be selected and click and hold down the left mouse button and then drag around the outer boundary of the object. After selecting this tool, we have to select the part that we want to select. So then release the mouse button when it is completely selected. Yes, after selection we have to release the mouse button. So next we have a freeform selection tool. This tool is used to select the part of an image in an irregular shape. इसमें वो पर्टिकुलर शेप फॉलो करता है, मीन्स रेक्टेंगुलर शेप में सेलेक्ट करेगा, बट हेयर इट विल सेलेक्ट एज अ इरेगुलर शेप. मीन्स जैसे जैसे हम माउस पॉइंटर मूव करेंगे वैसे वैसे वो सिलेक्ट करता जाएगा. So same way you have to use this also. Yes, freeform selection tool you have to choose, and after that you have to select particular area and then you have to release the mouse button. So next we have after this moving an object. Yes, moving an object. How we can move any particular object from one place to another place. So firstly you have to draw the picture of a car in a new file and save it with the name car. Yes, firstly you have to make this picture car and you have to save this file. Now select the drawing or any part of the drawing with the help of the select tool. After that you have to select this drawing. Then a rectangle with dashed line will appear around the picture as shown in the figure. Whenever you will select, then dotted lines will come So then click on the cut option in the clipboard group on the home tab. Now we have to choose cut option from the home tab, this cut option. So observe that the selected picture will be removed from the screen. Whenever we will click on this cut option, then our selected picture will remove from the screen. Yes, वो screen से गायब हो जाएगी. So after this, now click on the paste option. The object that you have cut will reappear on the top left corner of the drawing area, and place the mouse pointer on it and drag it to the desired location and release the mouse button. After selecting cut option, we have to choose the paste option to come back the selected image. Yes, to take back the selected image. So whenever we will choose this paste option, then our selected image will appear at the top left corner of the screen. Yes, so after that we can use mouse pointer, and after that we can move our picture to the any location of the screen. Yes, according to our requirement we can move our selected image. So after this we have copying an image or any object. How we can create a copy of any particular object. So copy means क्या होता है? Copy command is used to make a duplicate copy of an object. Object means any particular shape. उसकी अगर हमने duplicate copy create करनी है, then we can use this copying an object. So how to create a copy of an object? We have to follow steps. Firstly, we have to select the drawing. Yes, whose copy we want to create. After that we have to choose the copy command on the home tab, and then paste command we have to use. Firstly copy and then paste command. So whenever we will click on the paste command, a duplicate copy of the object appears on the top left corner of the drawing area. So here in this picture you can see, so here we have created this car's copy here. So that's why it is coming top left corner of the screen. So 2 copies now we have created here. So now we can change its location by clicking with the help of mouse pointer. We can move it anywhere. Yes, so without drawing we have made now 2 same shapes. We have created here duplicate copy of the same shape. So according to our requirement we can create so many copies. Okay, so now you can move the picture to any location. According to our requirement we can change its location. So this is enough for today, students. Rest of the topics we will discuss in the next class. So take care, students. Have a nice day.